57 T-Bird. Tough and sturdy. This is the C-Case, the variation C-Case. This is the brand new C-Case. Hot Wheels Flying Colors. And I bought this from a good friend, Scoomer.com. He's on Scoomer.com and Diecast Demon. He's a man. He can't do it. If he can't do it, no one can. He's awesome. Go check him out. Got an excellent deal on these cars. You gotta go check him out. He's selling them right now. These are set of 4 series. Just came out. So he's a very nice seller, and he has a good deal on them. I bought all 4 of these cars for $11. Plus shipping is about, I can't remember what it is, but it's the best deal you can get so far. Alright? Very, very nice seller.